Hi guys, I'm Arsha
I'm Amitha.
and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Yay!
So guys, since we know that the wedding season is up and Diwali is coming, so इस सब time में what do we need? We need to go. अभी तो नहीं जा पा रहे यार इतना ज़्यादा like parties and everything.
But still, for the pictures, filters कितना काम करेंगे and you want to look good, you want to feel good with some makeup also.
And I'm sure यार अपने जैसे और भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं who not pros at makeup.
Exactly. But so what are those basic things that you need in your makeup
Must
kit?
have makeup must have for a beginner. So guys, without further ado, let's get started.
So, very important first step is a sunscreen. So, the ones that we use are this one, the La Shield sunscreen. It has SPF 40, it is dermatologically tested,
It's non-irritant.
it's oil free, and actually they say if you don't prime, it is a crime.
So basically we use this as a primer.
Exactly.
Now girls, the next step is some amount of coverage. Every
Yeah.
day में you don't need like that much.
Exactly.
So इसलिए what we use is a cushion foundation. It has coverage but not too heavy of a coverage जितना कि एक foundation का होता है.
and it's so easy to apply. Like if you just see inside, there's this sponge kind of a thing, and then you just open. There's actually a cushion, and I think hardly 1 minute, and tuck, 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 you're done. So guys, the next step, which is very important after your base is done, is a concealer. अरे dark circles तो सबके ही होते हैं, so you need to hide them, but also like some blemishes, if you have some spots, उसके लिए concealer
यार
is very
because
important.
especially दिवाली season में अब late night तक जग रहे हो, wedding seasons में जग रहे हो, and you know all the drinks and everything, the food, so it might cause dark circles and blemishes and everything.
Exactly. So to hide them, a concealer is very important. So the one that I use is the rose beige color. It's according to your skin color what you get. The one from Sephora. This is what I like.
And the one that I use is the LA Girl Pro HD concealer.
कभी-कभी even if you're not putting any foundation, just a concealer is important. चाहे foundation skip हो जाए, but a concealer is very very important.
Yes, and especially a full coverage one. Guys, this one's like heavy duty. I mean, it just hides your dark circles just like
And this one
magic.
works for me.
So guys, the next important step after your foundation, your concealer, like all the liquid things, is something to set your face with, which is either a compact or a setting powder.
Yeah.
So I use this one from Sephora.
And I use this one from L'Oreal Mercier.
Basically, we don't use it all over the face. We just use it under the eyes because जहाँ पे heavy coverage किया है, which is the concealer, ताकि वो prolong रहे उसका wear, इसलिए we just used to set our under eyes.
Yeah, your makeup sits on your face for a longer time. वो lines वगैरह नहीं आती. To see how you like it.
Powder.
So guys, now something that actually uplifts your face
Defines your face basically.
is your eyebrows. So if you have thick eyebrows like me, I use this one. It's so easy. It's like the eyebrow gel. It's in the brown color. Right here, it's again from Benefit Cosmetics. And halka sa thoda sa, you know, you can just shape them a little. But if you're like my sister, जिसके पास eyebrows है ही नहीं,
I have like very scanty eyebrows, so I always like properly define my eyebrows.
Yeah.
So I use this Genius Brow Kit from L'Oreal again. This has one side is a powder and the other side is a gel. So उससे you can properly make your eyebrows for girls जिनके eyebrows बहुत ज़्यादा
and without being a pro, I think it's very easy for you.
Yeah, it's very easy to use because you just follow your eyebrow line and the brush has like a brush on one side, a spoolie on the other side to comb it. So yes guys, eyebrows really define the face and very very important step. I think having a basic nude eyeshadow palette is like very important in every makeup kit. है ना?
True. ये तो सच बात है. So the one that I use is from MAC. According to the colors I like, nudes, थोड़े से neutrals.
And the one that I use is the Maybelline palette. This one's called the Lemonade Craze palette. So this has a lot of like everyday shades and just a pop of color because I like pink again. And we're wearing the same palette today on our eyelids.
And if I'm going out for a party,
Oh yes.
the trick that we have.
Guys, this one is NYX's Lid Lingerie.
And this one is the Wet n Wild Cat Suit.
Guys, अगर eyeshadow palette भी नहीं use करना,
अगर आप मेरी तरह जिनको एकदम नहीं आता है आई शैडो यूज करना, guys, this is the easiest. Just take, apply on your eye,
And
you don't
just-
have to be a pro, and just smudge it out. Mascara and you're done.
Just get it in whatever plain shades you want, like a gold, a silver, a rose gold, like the basic one.
It's nice for the festive season to have a little bit of shimmer.
Yeah, and just so easy.
Then after your eyeshadow, you need to define your eyes with your lashes. Hidni ki aankhein banana. So guys, the one that I use is the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Oh my god. Iska brush, it's so good. It doesn't clutter in your eyelashes.
We're wearing the same one today.
Exactly.
The one that I use, and I choose like the mini ones because ज़्यादा easy रहता है इनको finish करने में. So this one's They're Real from Benefit. Again, a cult favorite from Benefit. Everybody loves this mascara. You can't go wrong with it. Guys, another essential, मतलब this is something जो if you're not even applying anything, ठीक है? Just a blush brightens up
I have
the
a
face.
question. I have a question. What is that one makeup product that you can't live without?
I think my brow kit.
For me, it's blush. Blush, blush, blush. The one that I use is the LA Girl blush. This one right here.
And the one that I use is the NARS Orgasm. अब now guys, because we're not pros, तो इसके और benefit ये that it's a blush which is mixed with highlighter. So you don't need a highlighter to go with it because इसमें वो shimmering particles हैं which acts as a blush, gives your cheeks a flush of color and adds that highlight to it. So
yeah, so it's like a 2-in-1. So get a blush which is with a highlighter. So guys, something for your lips is next. Lipsticks. So you should have these 3 colors in your beginner's makeup kit. First, no brainer is a nude. So I'll show you. The one that I have is from MAC. It's this one. It's called the Kinda Sexy.
And the one that I use is Burnt Spice from Matte, another cult favorite. Nude color, goes with everything, everyday use.
Exactly.
अब जो next color होता है, that should be a red. Now you can choose your tone of red. But because when you're dressing up for weddings and occasions and everything, एक pop of color भी तुम्हारे पास होना ही चाहिए.
Yeah. So the one that I use is from Chanel.
And the one that I use is from Giorgio Armani. ज़रूरी नहीं कि इतना ही dark लगाना है. You can also tone it down with your nude.
Yeah.
So you can keep working with that.
And one more, I think, rakhna hi chahiye, it's a pink. So the one that I have is from Nykaa. I'll put it in the link in the description box which ones we are using. So the pinks are also very important.
And the one that I have is the Video Star from Huda Beauty. So yeah, nude, red and pink and you're good to go. इनको mix and match करके you can create so many colors. So guys, the last thing, इसमें I think we differ a little. Because for me, the last essential is an eyeliner. For those special occasions and everything, like a winged eyeliner, वो करा नहीं जाता. It takes a lot of practice. मुझसे भी गलती होता है, but I still keep trying. So this one's from Nykaa and it's called the Get Inked Jet Black Eyeliner.
So the one that I use is actually not a liner. I use a kajal. So the one that I have is from L'Oreal. This one, and also नजर न लगे हमेशा काम आता है.
So, liner or a kajal, whatever your preference.
So guys, that's the end of the videos. Our makeup bags are empty. These were the 10 must-have makeup products for a beginner's makeup kit.
So guys, I hope this video was useful for you guys. And if you liked our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also guys, please hit that bell icon to get notifications and tell us in the comments section what you think about the makeup. In Mr. Concept product you didn't have and you bought it.
And if you guys want to purchase all these products, we'll have everything linked down in the comment section below. And guys, we need your feedback, your comments. किस type के videos देखना चाहते हो? What do you guys want us to film? So let us know all about that in the comment section below. And we'll see you next Friday. Auf Wiedersehen.
Base done. Okay. Next thing.
Not done.
Why not done?
Concealer. And the one I use is the LA Pro Girl HD Foundation.
And guys,
foundation है क्या?
So your lips, you need lipsticks. Obviously, it's a must-have. ऐसे वाव क्यों किया तूने?
ठीक लगेगा कि तू ऐसे बात बोले तो.
Guys, don't forget to hit that bell and hit that bell icon, guys. And guys, don't forget to hit that. And guys, don't forget to hit the bell icon and also tell us in the comments.
अब क्या हो रहा है? तो वहाँ देख रहे हैं.
इसके अंदर
लिपस्टिक पकड़ के ना ऐसे उठते हैं
लिपस्टिक मुंह में पकड़ ली, पूरी सुंदर लगती है।
बिल्कुल नहीं डाल देना यहाँ
दांत में पकड़
मैं डाल दूंगा
लिपस्टिक नहीं डालना चाहिए, मैं पकड़ ठीक है
मेरे नीचे डाल